Hello tubers, this is Mr. 71711 again. This is your host Farooq Shera, and today I'm going to show you how to repair Micromax mobiles. And this is a mobile Micromax A54 Ninja 3.5, and it's an Android device, Android 2.3 Gingerbread software. I think this is upgradable, I don't know, but now let's have a this is a touchpad problem. Let's have a quick review and open this phone. Just open back cover before back cover. This has a battery here. Remove the battery. This has a touchpad problem, as I said. Then you need tools is screwdriver, star screwdriver. It's a plus. Now you can see it clearly. And you need this as an opening device, or you can just open with your nails. I don't have nails, so I just use that, and I just opened it up. The screw, 6 screws here, and just it came out nice and smart. And this is the main board. You should be very careful while opening this one. Here, just have a clear look here. Just before pulling the board, before pulling this board, here is the sticker, and just after pulling the sticker, there you have a small strip, which is a display strip. Then just with the nail or something sharp, opens like this. It gets up, and just pull this trigger, this out, pull this thing out. The display gets out, and same thing with the here on the top of it. Here we have a touchpad. This, after removing this, we go to the touchpad display, then we go to touchpad. Let me show it. So I took out the board here and taking out the display in front of you. Oops, sorry, I just felt it down. Guys, while making the video, I just felt the screen down and just got a scratch here. That doesn't matter that much, it's okay. But here's the touchpad, here's the clip, and you should pull it out and get a new touchpad, attach here and just fit it out. And fitting is very easy. If any doubts, please contact me on YouTube, and subscribe, rate, and comment. Thank you.